Esmamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamo Gardens. Back at the village garden. Thank you for joining me again. What I want to do today, I have this jade plant propagation. It is from stem cutting and from leaf cutting, and they've been doing so well, but they're sitting in this small pot for months and the soil is so dry. These plants are resilient, so I want to repot them in this big bucket slash pot that can retain moisture for longer. The first thing I want to do is loosen the soil in this bucket. It is compacted and it's dried up. So I just want to loosen the soil so that the roots can spread and reach nutrient and moisture. Crassula ovata, commonly known as jade plant, lucky plant, money plant, it's a succulent plant native right here in South Africa. It is common as a house plant worldwide. Much of its popularity stems from a low-level care needed. The jade plant requires little watering and can survive in most harsh environments. These plants haven't been watered for a couple of months and the soil is stuck to the pot. It's stuck solid to the pot. Even though this plant is going through harsh dry season, it still looks amazing. These plants look so beautiful. It is rock solid. There is roots coming out at the bottom of the pot, so it could be root bound. Finally out, the root system looks solid even though the soil is dry. Look how beautiful the rooting system is. This is a propagation from cutting and it is beautiful. Just need to empty some of the soil out so that I can have the plant centered in. This tiny one here is propagation from the leaves cuttings. This is from the leaves, and see how big it's grown, and it has grown a beautiful rooting system. The propagation from the leaves eventually die back and it will leave you with a plant. This is also leaf cuttings, but they're not matured as the other one. They're still a bit tiny because of lack of water. They haven't grown as much as the other ones have, but they are coming along. So I'm gonna put everything together in one pot. I am just trying to scoop all the leaves out from this other pot. Propagating the jade plant is so easy. You can do it via stem cutting, or you can do it by leaf cutting. If your leaf fall out, just take the leaf, plug it into soil, and it'll grow in your plant. With the stem cutting, cut the stem below the node and leave that stem to callus. Take the stem, put it in soil, and it will grow in your roots, and eventually it will become a solid plant in a couple of months. What I'm doing now is topping up the pot with soil. Oh, look at that. There is a tiny plant growing out right at the bottom of the pot. So I'll just snag it in there. Oh, this one came out. Let me just put it back in the soil. Looking good, looking amazing. So I just need to top it up with a little bit more soil and make sure that everything is sturdy and firm, and the only thing we need to do is water it in. I am going to water it in, actually drowning this plant in, making sure it's gonna drink enough and that the water saturate right to the bottom of this pot. The jade plant is a beautiful plant to have as a house plant. Have it somewhere where it will receive bright indirect light. Water when the soil is completely dry. It requires a little watering. As you could see, the soil was completely dry for months, but look how the plant looks. So beautiful, and it was flourishing, and it doesn't require a lot of fertilizing. And if you do fertilize during the growing season, which is spring and summer. I will leave that water to soak in gently. Just top it up with some stone just to help to retain moisture a little bit longer. The cuttings look amazing, and where this pot is positioned when it rains, they will accumulate rainwater and it will retain the moisture for a little bit longer. They won't dry out completely because of the space, because of the extension of the space that they have. It will become one solid, beautiful plant in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you soon.